Aussie Winterfest 2025. This place had a lot of Christmas trees and lights to look at.
Can you show me a really good Christmas time? Now it's Christmas time and everybody's running around, so they can't make up their minds. I don't mind the same old thing.
They have many spots that look great for photos. You could capture your pictures with the great holiday spirit.
Can you show me a really good Christmas time? Let's talk about a real good Christmas time. Under the Christmas tree.
There is a whole snow play area, and you could have a snowball fight. The kids love this area.
I don't mind the same old thing. It's what makes it feel right. Can you show me?
Leonardo. They also really enjoy going down the snow slide in the inner tubes. They went many times.
Until the days go by. Can you show me a really good?
And the food.
Can you show me a really good Christmas time?
So Leo had a small accident today, but we are here at the first aid. They have a first aid booth and they're taking care of him. That is so nice that they have a first aid station in case of emergency. Nice. Thank you guys. So I ended up with the kids today, and they have inflatables. So you could get your face painting as well as your henna temporary tattoos. Just carry it. Wait, Danny. And Leo's the last one.
Alright, Grange.
Grange. I could go and watch them. Okay. Yeah, Danny knows a little harder for Danny. Come on, Danny. You can do it. There you go. Keep going. It's in the blue jacket. Goes Danny. And Leo's next.
Right. Can you show me?
Okay.
Free toys though.
I'm going to leave you two on that mistake, okay? Come on, you guys, grab it.
And here they call it jumbo, not dumbo, just jumbo. One more, one more. Yay!
Can you show me a really good Christmas time?
Winterfest OC is a lively and fun SoCal holiday experience that the whole family will love.
And we ending the day here at OC Winterfest 2025. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.